Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Monalisa Rumbai bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. The headlines for today are: DA area Dorbar Shillong expresses concern over dilapidated roads that connect with their village. Yodo shopkeepers express being stronger and healthier after receiving vaccination. And Meghalaya People's Labour Union demand justice for late Mr. Che. Thank you. And now the news in detail. The DA area Dorbar Shillong today expressed concern over the dilapidated condition of the roads that connect the DA area in Ribhoi district. The Dorbar strongly expressed its resentment that the roads between Mau Maram, Nong Tliu, Mau Mi, Mau Lendep and Lat Sao that connect with the DA area are not motorable anymore as they have not been repaired over the years. The Dorbar made the statement after surveying these roads today. Speaking to the media, members of the Dorbar said that the foundation stone of these roads under the Meghalaya Integrated Transport Project funded by the World Bank was laid by Meghalaya Deputy Chief Minister Preston Tensong and the State Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma had visited these roads twice and nothing is being done till date. The village authorities also said that these roads are the lifeline for the people of East Khasi Hills, West Khasi Hills and Ribhoi districts, particularly the farming communities. But Ribhoi district kumshiban taban pelat yakajing kapnya but jing dheng kali hasor Shillong.
Hakajiwan pli jong usembut menteri rangba rangkat speaker jong ka government jong ka Meghalaya rangkat ba Jason Maulong rangkat ba UMLA jengi ba samin mengyang ba kilowan ban pli yakan surak ha ka arpsan tering umat arjar puai langba kan ka scheme ka tip kum ka Meghalaya Integrated Transport Project ha ka bayak kan ka surak lawan ban bu manung rim hang ni po dingai tene kla jengi i ba kan ka jimpan slam ban pantrei kan ka surak kalakta si ka dai bat ka ba suang no ba ka longkum ka ai ka ba ki susam yang i ki ba tang ka pliang kem ai ja te kan e ka lapen lango sibo ni ki ba bat ngimban se ban mi biang sa sin ban wan jurip ban pasnga bus ki bor sarkar ba kin lai ai no halor ki banta halor ka jing ut jing nam jong ki ba no sunong kum jo ngasau bunga sudai ban sipet kan mau ru ba na ka liang chief minister lawan ban biset arsin sepok kini kijaka nokong haka khandai trik me arjar kat khandai bat kasin ka ar wan haka sau trik agos arjar athau sakini ki thang jing i langba ka jingwan ka jing u ula pen pau ya ka jing don kam jong ka ni surak lese ka jing pentrai no ya ka ni surak kala ban penduna ya ka ni ka jing theng kali hangtai po sar Shillong bat kum juru ka ni ka surak ka don ya ki jaka jo chengai perthai jo jingok kai perthai ki bai tanat langba kini ki thang bat syuru hisngau ban Ong bau Chief Minister daldehi ula kubur baya kenik projek on sa pentrikam no mardor hapok kenik kathan kejungi khnang ba kala ban yarap ban aikam ajam ya kipai ba nok sinong jong kenik kathan kejungi tene klen jonga ro sa sin nga penpau kajing karpat ru ya u lukalem le jingi ba samlin mengyang ba un krenlem ya katnat pidurdi bat kumju ya kontraktor badai ban pentrei kenik surak khnang ba kenik surak kan ya no chat chakmat khnang bakin pat ba jingi kim kundu jinga kuble sibon
takadaw ke cingut jong pe ba kalak ta aduk ta ten kaliang cungi kum nilam ngi kentu ya ka sarkar khamtam ya ka ya minister repeat ya ka bludi road ba in sim khalem ban pen bhai ni sorok hoj hakini ka benai blalin no haka arpsan trik umat ngis ngoba nakaliang cung deputy CM lawan play sorok repeat tadi katanat bludi Henry kat hadu menta kemot ba ngi klempat ui dak ye ki kontraktor hadukan mata ki kem le ye hoj lese kila ban ong ba kadon kadaw kan ina kan ka lockdown te ngi pich wi ki ceka kemat ba kila pentri kam kala ya chichat ri tang na ka shakani ka than ki chongi hadukan mata wala ready ka lockdown la dum pala pentri kan ka sorok hawi di kan ka scheme ka bala de one play law no dang tang ban repair tang ban ya tang ban long ban ya ban yeng ki kali ban long ban kit cingkit ki marip ki chongi.
The shopkeepers of Yodo in Shillong today said that they are feeling stronger and healthier after receiving vaccination. Speaking to the media, they said that by taking the vaccination, they are protecting themselves from being infected by the virus and also not to spread the virus to others. When asked by some of the people who came to Yodo to purchase goods, whether they would prefer to purchase their items from the vaccinated shops or from non-vaccinated shops, their response was that they were not concerned whether the shops have got the vaccinated tags or not. Their main concern is to get the goods that they require.
Kidan bay ba ti bam pat ai vaccine ki wan bay balada ar ki wan bay Shillong ba kim ong igin ki wan ki kit bay kim ora ba pat ai vaccine di ngiro dai ar ngiro namang syong aman ni sarkar kamla atan ni te Shillong ba mun sa ngai tu jaw la apply ong harap san baje te long ngiro pat ba so ngiro am tang for pujam dan korna ka ra poi kasmas ni ar pat dan biang ta hi ai ba poi puja la Imani ni pen please kaya imani isa sa aban please yang dalapoi puja corona la kat ni ra kita lagi iman ban kit ben kabi ayo tak kabi yang ini
la depan itu la susu siam tu dalam cisnaru dalam cisnang ulang la susu lagi ki jekam beri ulan nak ki distal lan ki nor ulang la susu dapat ai pedang susah no dia kirung karung na tip nona ya kim kan mak pet tip dan ki bapet ma eta nem pat akikal ngam dak tip ta dan lanan ki bapet tak ki bapet ti lang
After the unfortunate 13th August incident, which led to the killing of late Mr. Che Thank You by the Meghalaya Police Force, today the Meghalaya People's Labour Union condemned the heinous act of the police force under the MDA government and demand for an inquiry by the National Human Rights Commission.
Ilawan man pendam na iladi wa arja khapra dari jing thumu ban long ibli kusiang padeng ka seng bat ka sorkar padeng ka sorkar jela Ilawan sela jong ke ye keterum ketendai segi kher gimer bar ke imlang sang hari ke belingo ba balai ba khalai tarik pada ki ril thang snam ki dang not ban lej ban sim no ke jingim jumi ke Meghalaya People Labour Union ka peramjur ye ni ke jingjia ba ikini ril thang snam ba ke kentu ye government ndai tak judicial inquiry ni ban ais dan seduk National Human Rights Commission ban inquiry ye ni ke jingjia lam kan long partial bat long code habu dai ba ni gijing jia gi bajia ka jaipur jungi bangi kum gasang ni gijing pang ka besar khai tam manda kadai gijing bom yo kam yo jam jungi som kisami kum gini ki barjala ki la su klon lot ki kam gi jam ki bagi samla khat kantai gasi jong ka bri jungi trap jungi kila bantrai ka government ru kam I first preference ki local ki somla lada Maharashtra ki Marathi ki long first come first serve kan ayu yang ni ke jela Meghalaya bai khila khasi jungi ki kam baro mdai tangi kam sarkar ki ban pech sagi bentar khanang begin long economically strong bala dang long economically strong mut kini baro khoj ha jela jungi kinwan ki bothamai hari belingo kalau ki bar jela ka government ka encourage ki kam ki ba kena semula jungi kentai semua gila bentre kejela jungi minta kadan apa dengan temir jingma hakal yang kini ki berkhot jingi okam yo jam jungi semula tegem value kedap tak jing sukya bak kentu ye government bahkan syemi le ye gini benta bala da bamlong ru ki kena semula jungi minta gini mencupini be jubor gini kam dan kam man up ke government kawai bususi ru value ko an program hang ni kalau ba ini sini gimi social media ba kiwei ki jela kiwei ki news channel labar juga jela ki penirkat dor ya ka jela jungi ke jela ke paunam ha pedeng ke jugok kai pertai ki ong bagadei ke terroristit bat ke belum ke Taliban ke MPLU ke peramjur ya ni jingjia bat igini ki jing kento jong di nongwei ya ke jela jungi bat ke kentu ke government ru bahkan sim action la dagalong bala yakum gini ki comments sakaying kesem jadi pak seres terfil thank you bang kwa ada war blay ikurem ikon ikur borok begin yo ekamet kapat bokoi bekia begin long ibaklan blay tarat kerat undon kat batki hakum gani kasa kosian lo bon ka yakaying gijuki ini kali yang pilih imdan ni ring sidwai blay fini yo kamet ke bokoi bekia bat fini nang Roy nang kiu hamal kisngi ki por ki ya gunawang kubleshbo.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.